Saving to purchase a home can be intimidating for anyone, especially first-time buyers who aren't used to the process. And then there are terms like APR, DTI, and PMI, which may lead to feeling overwhelmed.
It always start with the lender and figure out what programs there are and what options you have, and then take it from there.
Liz Howell is a realtor with the Kim Rock Group based in Langhorne. She says some clients think they need a very specific amount of money at the ready in order for lenders to even consider them for a mortgage.
You need 20% for a down payment. Fact or fiction?
Fiction. That is a very old school mentality. It was always kind of a hard and fast rule from someone somewhere that you needed 20% down in a down payment to buy a house, and that's just not the way that it is anymore.
Experts say lower down payments are actually making home buying more affordable, especially for those who don't have a large nest egg. A recent study from the National Association of Realtors shows that the median percent down payment for a first-time home buyer stood at 9 last year. The median age was 38, up from 35, and the average yearly income was $98,000.
Kind of the sweet spot is, I would say, between 5 and 10% is what we're seeing a lot of home buyers put down.
Though Hal says a lot of buyers are having to compromise more than they had to in the past, and she advises people to be mindful that putting down less may require one of those terms we mentioned earlier, PMI.
A lot of home buyers, too, are worried about paying the private mortgage insurance that traditionally comes with putting down less than 20%, because the bank sees it as a bigger risk. You're putting less money down, so they're going to charge you that private mortgage insurance.
The bottom line is everyone's financial situation is different, so there's no one-size-fits-all when it comes to how much money you should put down.
Be realistic. Start in that price point that you want to afford and know you can afford, and then take it from there.
I'm Brian Sheehan, NBC 10 News.